Hey guys, I just got a really exciting package in the mail, so let's open it. Come to Papa, baby. Sweet. It's the new Spidey Suit, the Far From Home Spidey Suit from Heroestime. Alright, this is the first time I'm having a look at this suit, and what I've ordered is the new Far From Home suit, and I've ordered it from Heroestime. So, in the package is a little 5% off coupon with Spidey on it. That's cool. And I don't know, something with Genji and a QR code, some little sticker thing. Now let's have a look at the Spidey suit. I'm really excited to check out this Far From Home suit because it's so early in the game. There hasn't been a trailer released for the movie or anything yet, but there's definitely been enough footage of the suit and pictures leaked online that pattern makers can have a really good, accurate look at what the suit is and what it offers, and just see every little area of the suit and the texture that is on it. So I'm really excited to check this out. Once again, it's printed and assembled by Heroestime, but the digital pattern itself is by Gunhead Design. Now what I've ordered is a suit that is all one piece with a rear zipper, a straight rear zipper, and the lenses attached. Now usually I order the opposite of that. I order a U-zipper and I order no lenses whatsoever so I can pair it with my face shell. But I really like this style too. This is more convenient, like if you just want to pop on a Spidey suit and be able to pop the hood off and have that like Peter Parker look and then pop the hood back on. Straight zipper is the way to go. And lenses attached is really good. When you have a face shell, it's kind of hard to do like breakdancing stuff if your head's going to be dinging the ground or anything like that. And I noticed one of my favorite cosplayers, T-Stunning Spidey, he never wears a face shell, and he always wears a U-zipper, probably because he doesn't want to like roll on his back and hurt the back with the zipper, or maybe just because it's concealed better. But I went with the straight zipper because once again I like to be able to pop my head out. Okay, let's have a look at the suit. Already I have to say I'm really impressed. I really like the logo. The spider emblem looks great, and it has the white features that are distinctive and a part of the Far From Home costume. So it looks really cool, and just the texturing on the suit looks good. Gunhead Design is an awesome pattern maker, and the very first Spidey suit I ever got that was a Zentai suit with a Spider-Man pattern printed on it was made by Gunhead Design, and that suit was the Civil War Spider-Man suit. It was awesome. So this is the second pattern I think that I've gotten from this maker. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, it's so cool. Oh, I love it. So the Far From Home suit, like one of the distinctive features about it is it's black and red, kind of like the Miles Morales suit, and it has these fingers, these red fingers with a black handpiece, like the Miles Morales suit. So that's really cool, I like that. And I have to say, as far as lenses attached, these are beautiful. These look so good. They're rubber, they're not EVA foam, and oh my god, they're totally fog-free mesh. So this is really exciting for me. I love the look of this up front. Now this isn't a review of the suit, this is just the unboxing. So I'm just showing you what happens in the package. I'm gonna post a review super soon of the pattern. So basically what the Gunhead Design pattern looks like printed on the suit. And I'm gonna post a review of Heroestime itself. So how did I like their service? How fast was it? And let me just say right off the bat, I ordered the suit this week. I got the suit this week. It was so fast. Now granted, I live in China and they're based in China, but you know, I'm still impressed. So yeah, this looks beautiful. So yeah, if you want to see me try it on and just talk about the pattern, definitely subscribe and come back for my review. But this is the unboxing. Oh, that looks so dope. I'm so happy with this suit. I really like it. You know, when I first saw it, I wasn't like instantly in love with it, but I totally am now. And yeah, looks fabulous. I can't wait to try this sucker on. Oh my god. Thanks for watching my unboxing video. Let me know what you think and if you have any questions. And guys, be sure to check out my other videos. This weekend, I'm going to drop my new Spider-Man parkour video. So I've worked pretty hard on that to do a few practical effects and to risk my butt climbing buildings here in China in a Spider-Man costume. So definitely check that out. That drops this Saturday. And this weekend, I'll also be posting more videos, including reviews. And I'm gonna be posting more web shooter videos soon. I'm doing some experiments with some homemade web shooter designs and with modifying the toy that you can buy in the store. So definitely come check out my other Spidey videos and be sure to check out my review of this pattern. Also, I have another Far From Home suit on the way from another costume maker and another pattern maker. So it's going to be totally different than this one, and I will definitely be comparing those two. Thanks so much for watching my video, and just let me know in the comments bar below if you have any questions or requests of videos you'd like to see in the future. Lots of love, guys. Cheers.